Friends, we all know Wi-Fi exists, and using Wi-Fi, you can actually connect your devices with your mobile phones. And this is called Internet of Things. You can connect your watch, you can connect different devices to your mobile, and actually transfer data from back and forth. You can calculate your heart rate, you can calculate your walking, and you can put all that information into an application. However, this technology has to grow further, and it has to become more viable, more business friendly. So that is why the Wi-Fi forum has decided to increase the range, because right now the range of Wi-Fi is only something like 10 meters. It's a short distance network, and it allows you to connect your devices with your device, between your devices, so with your mobile phone, etc. But it is not really gone beyond that. And I think one of the reason is that you need to get these devices work at a larger distance, larger, more bigger perimeter, so that it can be used in some sort of factories and plants, etc., to keep track of things. And this is why the Wi-Fi forum has decided to increase the range of current Wi-Fi to about a kilometer, which is 1000 meters. There is a 100 times jump into the range, and this technology is going to give a boost to lot of application developers to come out with his business applications, things like tracking, things like there's no need to implement RFID technology. Using your Internet of Things devices, you will be able to track various things. Farmers will be able to do a lot of things by putting these sensors across their field. Similarly, factories or railway yards. So there are a whole lot of applications which are waiting to be implemented, developed, and it will give rise to new breed of entrepreneurs who will come out with these applications. So I think there's a great news that the Wi-Fi has decided to increase the range to about 1000 meters, 1 kilometer, which will give more more devices to be connected with each other. And this whole technology is now known as Wi-Fi Halo. So friends, I think it's a great news for tech world. And if you're watching this video, this is a message to the people who want to develop Wi-Fi based application, new entrepreneurs or even the old ones who want to venture into this new area of Wi-Fi, which is going to open up, and you can actually have a very customized solution delivered to your customers using the long range Wi-Fi. Friends, do write in your comments and I will respond to each one of you. And for today, I'd like to say goodbye and I'll catch you in the next one.